Welcome everyone to the second episode of this 5,000 kilometer road trip. In this episode, you will see a very unique resort we stayed at near Mumbai, where every room is different from the other. There will also be some moments of dumb happiness, some peace, and also moments of unwarranted panic.
I knew this was a bad idea.
So sit back, enjoy, and have fun.
Thank you. Thanks for the empty roads.
Sanitize yourself.
This is our elephant room. This is our sitting space.
Perfect.
This is our bed.
This is one comfortable bed.
Our suite. Elephants everywhere. Here, here. This is our washroom. We could run here. And 2 sinks.
So this is the room that we are staying at. I would say it's very comfortable and quite fancy. I think this needs to be documented. That she forced us to come here to take bicycles to ride around. then she could not get on the bikes. She could not get on the bikes.
I watch a lot of serial killer documentaries.
What do you want? At least it hit the board.
said we'd stay together.
We have come down to paddle boat and we have a situation here. What? Shut up. Why are you not doing it in the paddle boat?
I do not.
You're not
trust
supposed to get
them.
in the water.
I do not trust them.
What do you mean everyone is doing it? If there's nothing wrong with it, it's very easy.
Yeah, everyone
We have one
probably
right now.
knows how to swim.
Nobody knows how to swim.
I will ask them. Wait.
We're not going to ever fall in the water. Trust me.
Ever is something that you can't guarantee.
I am guaranteeing it. We're not going to fall in the water. Okay, finally we're gonna do it.
Close it.
I don't have to close
Or is it not fitting? Is that why you're not doing it?
it. It is fitting.
भैया गिरेगा तो नहीं?
Gosh,
पक्का?
कभी नहीं गिरा।
मैं गिरूंगी तो?
हाँ। उतना मत।
Why would I jump? You just drowned it.
आ जाओ। उल्टा।
I need to go back. This is it. Where should I turn this? Oh my god. It's not doing it. I knew this was a bad idea.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong.
The reason we took on the challenge of doing this 5,000 kilometer road trip is because even though we love the mountains, we love adventure even more. And we started realizing something as we moved from place to place, that every day won't be the same. Every day won't be epic. Sometimes life will bring you to a place you had no idea existed. But there will never be a reason to not enjoy every single moment of it. We'll see you in Goa. Guess what happened, guys? We didn't die, even though someone thought we were gonna die. Huh?
Fear is irrational.
For reference, that is what we were writing. And that.
I will leave you if this goes on.
You want me to steal a car? Yeah.
Who said stealing? I said check.
Check if the car is unlocked and then take it. I believe that is stealing. Why do we have two sons?
His and hers.
Huh?
His and hers.
Why?
Boy, you're breaking the whole tree.
What?